Hey beautiful people, I'm Deja Riley and I'm so excited to announce POPSUGAR's brand new workout series, Dance FitSugar. It's just like Class FitSugar, but because you asked for it, all dance. From hip hop to Latin to cardio dance and everything in between. I'll be bringing you new dance workouts from the top dancers, choreographers, and trainers. As your host for Dance FitSugar, I can't wait to start moving with you guys. I'm a professional dancer and I've danced with some of the biggest names out there, like Shakira, Britney Spears, and even Beyoncé. I'm also a certified personal trainer, and my goal for you is to leave each workout feeling successful and empowered. Be sure to look out for our first Dance FitSugar workout going live soon. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to subscribe now. That way you'll get an alert every time there's a new workout ready for you. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see. Whether it's instructors or styles of workouts, I'm gonna have you covered. I can't wait to work out with you. See you soon.